Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro dollar monthly time frame, I still think this is more likely a 1, could be a wave A, but more likely I think it's a 1. I think this is going to end up being a wave 2, and I still think that eventually it's going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5. But we are definitely still going down, and we could end up going down to the 61% or maybe even further. So the trend is definitely still down as of now. Going down to the weekly time frame, same story. I mean, we do have a Fibonacci bounce right here. Obviously, there's quite a bit of support in this area too, so I think that's another reason why we had a pretty decent bounce right here. But the trend is definitely down. There's no significant break of structure. There's no higher low or anything telling us that this downtrend is complete yet. So going down to the daily time frame, we definitely did have a pretty decent move to the upside, but we still never did get that break of structure. This move up to me looks like a trend, so it does look like we might end up eventually getting another push up. And just the question is the next push up going to make a lower high and keep going down? Or is the next push up going to break structure, proving that this move down is over, and that's going to turn us into a buyer longer term? So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. So for me personally, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. Like I was just saying on the daily, this move up looks like a trend, so it's likely a wave A or maybe a wave 1. I think this is going to end up being an ABC crescent, which would be a crescent to the wave A, a crescent to this move up right here, like a wave B or possibly a wave 2. And eventually it's going to go up and either make a wave C, which would probably make a lower high and go down, or it's going to make a wave 3, which would break out and probably, like I said, turn us into buyers longer term. So taking it right down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, so more than likely, like I said, we are in a crescent to the last 5 waves up. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last 5 waves up. This move down right here to me is definitely 5 waves down also, which is why I think it's a wave A. I think we're in a wave B. We might pop up again a little bit to finish the B, and then I think we're going to make a push down for a wave C. I think that this needs to make an ABC crescent to the last 5 waves up over here like this. So, like I said on the higher time frames, this is likely an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. I would definitely keep an eye on my Fibonacci retracement levels for a possible end of a trend, and that probably would be a pretty good entry to go long, even if it is a wave C. If it turns into a wave 3, that would be even better. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.